Example 13. Prove that the two parabolas y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4by intersect in brackets other than the origin at an angle of 'tan theta equal to tan inverse 3 into a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 Listen carefully. Find in junior intern, find the angle between the two curves. How to solve that problem? Listen. First, we calculate point of intersection. Next, dy, let it be p. First calculate dy by dx at the point p, that is slope of the first curve. Again, derivative of the second curve, dy by dx at p, that is m2. Then tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is the procedure. First we calculate point of intersection, next their slopes, next tan theta formula. First write the proof. Given curves are y square equal to 4ax, x square equal to 4by, solve 1 and 2. X square whole square equal to 4by whole square. X power 4 equal to 4 b square 16 b square y square. Apply this 4ax in this place. X power 4 equals 16 b square into 4ax. Since from 1 next x power 4 Bring this one into LHS. X power 4 minus 64 a b square x equal to 0. Take x common. X cube minus 64 ab square equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 or x cube equal to 64 ab square x cube 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole cube 4 cube 64 3 cancel a power 1 3 cancel b square. So cube cancel. Therefore, x value x equal to 4 into a power 2 by 3, a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Once again, squaring on both sides, we get y square in this place. Replace this y square with 4ax, 64 a b square x. Take x common, so x equal 0 or x cube equal to, this is 4 cube, this is a power 1 by 3 whole cube, this is 2 by 3 whole cube. So x value. Next we want y value. Take either 1 or 2. Next, from 1, y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4a. X value 4 into a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Y square equal to 16. 4 into 4, 16. Bases are equal. Add the powers 1 by 4. Add the powers 1 by 4. Next, b power 2 by 3. Listen again. 1 plus 1 by 3. 3 LCM. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Therefore, y value 4 square, a power 4 by 3, b power 2 by 3, whole power 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Y value 4. Next, 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 table cancel. A power 2 by 3. 2 cancel. B power 1 by 3. Therefore, point of intersection of 1 and 2. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 is P. X value 4 into a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. Y value 4 into a power 2 by 3, b power 1 by 3.
కనిపిస్తుంది కనిపిస్తుంది.
Next, so point of intersection is over. Next we calculate m1 and m2. Next, differentiate 1 with respect to x, with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Y square equal to 4ax 2y into dy by dx equal to 4a into 1 2 times cancel. So m1 next dy by dx 2a by m 2a by y. Therefore m1 equal to dy by dx at p point 2a by y value 4 a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3 2 table cancel. See in this place bases are equal, so subtract a upper power minus lower power. m1 equal to half into a power 1 minus 2 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. So m1 equal to 3 LCM a power 3 LCM 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. This is m1 value. Similarly, m2 equal to, just take its reciprocal, 2 into a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3. Similarly, m2 equal to, listen again, first curve is this one, derivative 2y into dy by dx, x derivative 1, 2 table 2 times cancel, so dy by dx equal to 2a by y, dy by dx at the p point where y value 4 a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3, bases are equal, subtract the powers 1 minus 2 by 3, so 3 LCM 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Similarly, differentiate 2 with respect to x, we calculate m value is this one. So by using these two, we apply the tan theta formula. Note down. Let theta be the angle between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. Write these two values. 1 by 2 into a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3 minus 2 into a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3, that is m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 value into m2 value a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3.
వెంకట స్వామి ఫోన్ చేశారు. వెంకట స్వామి ఫోన్ చేశారు.
m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. 2 cancel. Take this term common. A power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. Next, take LCM. B power 2 by 3. B power 2 by 3 plus A power 2 by 3. This equal to, this value is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, but there is modulus symbol. So 3 by 2 into a power 1 by 3 by b power 1 by 3, that is the numerator, into b power 2 by 3 by a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. Last step, 3 by 2 into a power 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 whole square by b power 1 by 3 into a power 2 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Therefore, theta equal to tan inverse 3 a power 2 by 3, sorry, 1 by 3 b power 1 by 3 by 2 into a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. Video